Welcome to Linux Help, Ansible Web Server. The web server we will be using in Nginx. We will write a simple playbook that tells Ansible that the managed host should have Nginx installed and running. We communicate this by writing task, a task being a unit of action in Ansible. In this tutorial, we will see how to deploy the web server in Ansible. Before that, check the OS version by using following command. My OS is CentOS version 7.6. Next, I'm going to install HTTPD server. Run the following command to install Apache server. The packages are installing. Once completed, enable the firewall by using following command. Once completed, reload the firewall. Start the Apache server by using following command. Check the status of the server. Status is active. Next, I'm going to deploy the web server playbook. For that, I'm going to create directory. Switch to web server directory. In here, I'm going to create a YAML file. In this file, I'm going to create a playbook. Initialize the playbook by using 3 dashes. Next, I'm going to give the name web server playbook. I configured host name as Ansible. I'm going to give the task name, m packages, one more task, service, next task, creating the index file. In here, we need to copy the content, destination. I'm going to give the node. Next task, open firewall port, service HTTPD, permanent true, state enabled, immediate yes. Once completed, save and quit the file. Next, I'm going to create the host file. In here, we need to configure Ansible. This is my host name. Give the client machine IP. Once completed, save and quit the file. Next, we need to map the host to inventory. For that, I'm creating configuration file. Inventory equal to, once completed, save and quit the file. Next, I'm going to check the syntax of main.yaml file. To check the syntax, run the following command. There is no any error in main file. Next, I'm going to execute the main file. In here, we got one error. The error was in task enable and start HTTPD. We need to open main.yaml file. In here, we need to change enable to enabled. Save and quit the file. Now we execute the file. We got one more error in the task firewall. Again open main file. In general, firewall only HTTP. Now save and quit the file. I'm executing the file. The file was executed successfully. Now check the web server in client machine by using following command: client machine IP. In here we got the content of HTML file. With this method, deploying the web server in Ansible comes to an end. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Linux Help channel. To watch more tutorial, visit our website www.linuxhelp.com. For more queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.